Hi, everyone! This video will guide you on how to send a large video through email in 2 effective methods. Method 1. Compress the large video. Option 1. Using Mini-Tool Movie Maker. Launch Mini-Tool Movie Maker on your Windows PC. Click on New Project to get to its editing interface. Click Import Media Files to locate the target large video. And then click Open to import it. Directly drag and drop it onto the timeline. Hit the Export option in the Player section. Mini-Tool Movie Maker exports video in MP4 format with 1080p resolution and 25 fps frame rate by default. You can check the estimated output file size at the bottom left of the export window. If you are not satisfied with the file size, click the Settings button. Change the video quality from better to good. Expand the resolution list and choose a lower resolution. Also, you can select a lower bitrate and frame rate. Click OK to confirm the changes. Then check the video size again. Once you are satisfied, click the Export button to save the video. Option 2. Using Mini-Tool Video Converter. Run Mini-Tool Video Converter. Click the Add Files option to upload your large video. Click the diagonal arrow in the target box to enable the Output Format window. Switch to the Video tab and select MP4. Then choose the MP4 preset with a lower resolution. Check the current video file size. If the video is the right size, click the Convert button. Later, go to the Converted section and hit Show in Folder to locate the converted video. Method 2. Send a large video via cloud storage services. Cloud storage services like Google Drive and OneDrive can help you send a large video through email. You can upload a large video to the cloud, generate a shareable link for long videos, and then include it in your email. Here, take Google Drive as an example. Click the New button at the top left. Choose the File Upload option to import the target large video. Right-click on the video and choose the Share option. Select the Anyone with the Link option for general access. Click the Copy Link tab and click Done. Then you can paste the copied shareable link into your email and send it. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.